Welcome to Design Strong. This is Ankit and you are watching the series for job notifications for freshers 2021 and 2022. And this time we have brought yet another multinational company with one of the most famous names called Accenture. And the job that we are going to cover here is a non-technical job. Why we are covering a non-technical job here? Because I got a lot of notifications from candidates who are not very good in technicals and they wanted to pursue career in some non-technical sort of roles within established firms such as Accenture. And here we are with a really good opportunity. Before we start, I just want to bring it to your notice that in case if you have already not subscribed to the channel, I would strongly recommend that you click on the subscribe button because we are going to cover a lot of job notifications. So if you want yourself to be notified, just hit on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. So this job role that we're talking about, this is not from any agency, this is not from any of the apps that you might have seen on the YouTube. This is directly from Accenture, and the position that we are talking about is new associate in human resources. Yes, you heard it right, new associate HR at Accenture. The job location for this is going to be Bangalore, and the experience that they're looking at for this position is 0 to 1 year, which means that freshers from 2020, 2021 and those who are into their final year and going to graduate or complete their post-graduation in 2021 can apply for it. This position is into the HR strategy department that Accenture has, and the only location which is available at this point of time for HR strategy in India is Bangalore. In terms of qualification, there is no qualification as such.
ऐसे में बड़ा सख्त लौंडा हूं, लेकिन यार यहाँ में पिघल गया.
All they need is a candidate with graduation which includes BCom, BBA, PGDM as well is also qualified, which means there's no bar in terms of qualification here. All you need to have is a valid graduation degree from India. Because this is a non-technical job, it's really important for us to also understand how is the process in terms of interviews going to be. For this job of HR associate, the first round is going to be a discussion with the management of Accenture, wherein they'll get you on a call scheduled for 30 minutes or so, and they'll ask you some generic questions just to understand your communication skills. Apart from communication skills, they'll also look at your potential in terms of handling the situations and your understanding in terms of the concepts that we have in HR field, because this position is directly involved in the core HR job that Accenture has, which means that it is going to cater around the entire employee life cycle, starting from an employee which joins until a person who has already resigned. So this entire process has a lot of things that HR does, which includes the HR business partner roles, which also includes rewards and recognitions, etc. So all of these are part of this position. The job description also says that the candidate needs to be adaptable and flexible in the sense that there could be opportunities for the candidate from other locations as well, on which candidate should be willing to relocate if given a chance. And these positions can be within India or even outside after COVID. They're looking for a quick learner who can handle data management job as well, because a lot of HR work will be around data being handled for all the employees, etc. And then you should be proficient enough with small technologies like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, so that you can complete all the work which is needed on daily day-to-day basis. There's no other specific skill set or technology that they're looking at here, and I think that makes it a very good opportunity for candidates who are from non-technical background to apply for it. So if you are willing to make your career in HR and want to start with a company which is as good as Accenture, I think this is the right time for you. The details where to apply is available in the description section. And before you move to the description section, I would recommend that you also hit the like button so that I know whether you like the content and would like me to continue with such content or not. And by this time, I know you would have already subscribed to the channel. In case if you are still left, just click on the subscribe button so that you are aware about all the content which comes here. That is it from my side for fresher recruitment in terms of HR job in Accenture for 2020 and 2021 batch. In case if you want any more information about it, utilize the comment section below and I'll respond to your queries. Stay safe, stay healthy, and say Design Strong.
खत्म. Bye bye. Tata. Goodbye. गया.